Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Dropbox feature on itza.tv. You merely have to click the Add Content tab, followed by the Add to Dropbox button. From there, all you have to do is go to the content you wish to save to your account, copy the URL or link, paste it into the URL box, and if the link is a SEO compliant link, Itza will create a detailed title for you automatically. And then you can click Submit to finish the process, sending that content to your Dropbox. Now, if the link you included isn't SEO compliant, or you want a custom title for your content, you can add a short title to the box before hitting Submit as usual. You also have the option of sending this information to friends or family members on your contributors bar. Choose from your contributors bar where they are located, then simply hit Submit. This has been a video on how to use the Itza Dropbox.